Today we're landing at Tokyo Airport. There's no turnaround. I'm going to do a turnaround. Wait. It's at Tokyo Airport. There. What's the limit speed of the ATOC? 2. Okay, right for the landing. Landing speed. I'm so starting. I didn't do butter as well, but it's okay. Wait, I just do it again. By the way, I saw Thai play at oh my god, where's this incident? I almost hit the Thai aeroplane. Dude. Who would say that I'm going to stall? My FMPS! Bruh. Oh. I did a successful bottle landing. Who the heck will ever... My god, bro. I wonder who will ever take off in the run, will ever skip taxiing and literally take off in the runway. I mean in the taxiway. Yo, look at the plane. You guys see that? You guys see that? It's the plane. What's the road here? Let me go here. How in the world am I not at 9 feet? No! Reverse. There we go. Dude, I'm stuck. Also, why is my blinking face not there? It feels so weird. I get a fuel truck. Get the car. Whoa! Look at the car for this one. Is this so? Is this the ATC? I cannot find a car spawner. First head back to my. Oh, it's not there. Don't know. Like, where's the car spawner? Where's the car spawner? Where's the car spawner? Okay. Now wait. Bye, guys.